Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're popping the confetti for a massive celebration. FeetFinder has just hit a whopping 5 million verified users. That's right, 5 million people who are buying, selling, and enjoying feet pics just like you. Stick around as we dive into what this milestone means, how FeetFinder got here, and what you can do to join in on the fun. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and let's get into this monumental achievement. The journey to 5 million. First up, let's talk about the journey. Starting from humble beginnings, FeetFinder has grown exponentially thanks to its commitment to safety, privacy, and a user-friendly platform. From their first 1,000 to the millionth user, each milestone has been about improving your experience and expanding the community. This 5 million mark isn't just a number. It's about real people finding a platform where they can safely explore their interests. Why FeetFinder? Well, it's not just about the vast number of users. It's the quality and security that comes with it. Verified profiles, secure transactions, and a strict privacy policy take it and make it a top choice for anyone looking to buy or sell feet pics without worries. Plus, their customer service is top-notch, always ready to help you navigate and make the most out of your experience. Joining the community. Thinking about joining the fun? It is easy. Head on over to FeetFinder.com, register, and get verified. Simple as that. Once you're in, you can start creating your profile, uploading your best feet pics, and exploring what other users have to offer. Whether you're here to buy or sell, FeetFinder makes sure that you're a part of a safe and engaging community. Tips for new users. To all our newbies, here are some hot tips to make your FeetFinder journey a success. First, be active. The more you engage, the more visibility you get. Use high-quality images, be responsive to messages, and keep your content fresh and appealing. Remember, every interaction is a chance to build a following or find the perfect pic. And there you have it, my friends. Joining 5 million others on FeetFinder could just be your next best move in the world of feet pics. Thank you for walking through this celebration with us. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you can never miss out on our content. Here's to many more milestones with FeetFinder. Now, let's keep those feet flashing and cameras clicking. I'll see you on the next video. Stay fabulous!